states also, you need to come up with a single voice. That's what I feel with my experience of whatever I have in the area of consumer protection and welfare. The other is you need to bring lot of young people. अगर युवा पीढ़ी नहीं आएगी तो you know what you yourself know. कैसे लाया जाए, कहाँ से लाया जाए, आप लोग सब बहुत अनुभव के हैं. But you need to have young people in this movement. Why environmental movement has survived? It has survived and strengthened only because a lot of youth is there. Consumer clubs scheme has been scrapped up by the central government in spite of our best efforts. We gave the study report also saying that yes, wherever there is a consumer organization, the level of awareness and understanding is much higher than where there are no organizations. So I think you will have to think some strategy that you involve a lot of young people into this movement. That's one, I think, is a major drawback that we have in the organization today, that the youngsters are not being attracted to this. People say money hai, they need money and all. दूसरे में क्यों जाते हैं? जहाँ पैसे नहीं वहाँ भी जाते हैं. You have so many volunteers. If you have a lake, हमारे जहाँ मैं रहता हूँ वहाँ एक तालाब था जिसको सरकार मिट्टी भरना शुरू की थी, and finally the activists came and hundreds of students collectively they came there and they said no, they धरना दे दिए कि you can't, इसमें आप इससे ज़्यादा आप मिट्टी नहीं भर पाएंगे, and they stayed protest for very long. So that we'll have to ensure that youngsters come. I think schools can be a good target. Then the next issue is how do you create awareness and education about the new Consumer Protection Act. One of the major drawbacks of 1986 Act was कि लोगों को पता भी नहीं था कि ऐसा कोई एक्ट है, ज़्यादातर लोगों को. In 10 years, everybody came to know what is RTI. You go to a village and लोगों को पता था कि RTI क्या है. 30-35 साल हो गया इस कानून को जो सभी से संबंधित है. It deals with every individual in terms of his rights, his exploitation. But people just don't know about this act. Are we going to allow 2019 Act to have the same? If we are not able to create awareness, rest assured, we should not be too enthusiastic about this act. It will die its natural death. बहुत अच्छे प्रावधान हैं, बहुत very good provisions are there. But if we are not able to convey to people and convince them, the CCPA is its office is located there. मैं उनकी डाक से डील करता हूँ, all complaints coming, and then I send it. Except for 2-3 NGOs, organizations, कोई शिकायत भी नहीं कर रहा है. Except for 2-3. I don't want to name those organizations because याद करना आसान है क्योंकि 2-3 नहीं है. Why are you not filing complaints? I know, आपको पता है कि मिसलीडिंग क्या है, कहाँ है, बाजार व्यवस्था में किस तरह का अनफेयर ट्रेड प्रैक्टिस हो रहा है, नया क्या हो सकता है. I find it very strange, nobody files complaint. या तो आपके एरिया में कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, सब बढ़िया है, तो फिर हमारी आपकी जरूरत ही क्या है जब सब बढ़िया है. तो प्लीज स्टार्ट फाइलिंग. And CCP issues notice, and I have seen large number of advertisements have been withdrawn. Apology has been tendered. Those who have stood ground for their testing has been done, and penalty is going to be imposed. Within a matter of 15-20 days, action हो रहा है. My earnest appeal is start making use of the CCPA Act. It's a big achievement. Many of us have fought for a CCPA. If we are not going to make the use of instruments that are available, then there's not much hope, I would say. So take things head on now. जैसे चल रहा है उससे अब हट के चलना पड़ेगा सभी को. बहुत अच्छे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, मैं बहुत लोगों को जानता हूँ. आई हैव सीन देम. यू हैव वर्कड लाइफ लॉन्ग इन दिस एरिया. आपसे बेहतर जो है कोई नहीं समझ पाएगा उन समस्याएं क्या हैं. ना मोबिलाइजेशन करने की जरूरत है, ना कुछ नहीं, बस CCPA में डाल दीजिए. दैट दिस इज द एक्शन हो रहा है, एक्शन होता है. नो CCPA कंप्लेंट goes without action. The vacancies in the commissions, जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट में रिपोर्ट हम लोगों ने दाखिल की है, 54% वैकेंसीज हैं ऑल इंडिया. मोर देन हाफ वैकेंसीज हैं. आप क्या सोचेंगे? मीडिएशन हो सकता है? मीडिएशन नहीं हो सकता है, क्योंकि आपको प्रेसिडेंट चाहिए, कमिटी का चेयरमैन होगा, एक मेंबर चाहिए. कम से कम 40% फोरम कमीशंस ऐसे हैं जहां प्रेसिडेंट ही नहीं है. सो द कमिटी कैन बी कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड बिकॉज देयर इज नो प्रेसिडेंट. सो इट्स ऑल इंटरलिंक्ड. डिस्पोजल ऑफ कंप्लेंट्स, द एक्ट provision has been changed. You need the president now for everything. You can't do it without president. So virtually 45-50% of the four commissions are defunct today, including state commissions. Many of them just don't have anybody today. Petition your state governments. दबाव डालिए सरकारों पर. If you say बहुत हो चुका, कुछ नहीं हुआ, let us forget and forgive. नया शुरू किया जाए. Let's start something new now. We'll have to put pressure on the governments to ensure that consumer justice is delivered. If the commissions don't function properly in time, that is why you have provision of online filing, e-dakil, all that is there. Then rest assured, nothing is going to happen. Commissions have to deliver quick justice. They have to do it and ensure. And that can be done only with a lot of pressure coming from the NGO sector. You have to put pressure. There are a large number of issues which are important issues for this Consumer Protection Act. You have large number of new provisions, product liability and other. These are something good where now the consumer is not supposed to prove that the product, it's the manufacturer who has to say that the product is not defective. So it's a consumer friendly act with large number of new provisions. It's loaded with new provisions to meet the new challenges. Along with e-commerce, rules have been framed. Many of the rules have been framed. Legal Metrology Act, you see, a lot of decriminalization of the processes has taken place. So one churning is going on to strengthen the system. But then you need counter forces to make it more effective. और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ, I wish that we forget and forgive and come around as a big collective force. You have very big organizations in this sector also, so can all join hands and ensure that पहले क्या हुआ था नहीं हुआ था, लेट्स फॉरगेट इट, हो गया सब, जो नहीं हुआ था नहीं हुआ था. टुडे वी आर इन 2021 एंडिंग स्टार्टिंग ऑफ 22. अगर अभी भी हमको वही 1986-90 की गिला शिकवा रहेगा कि ऐसा हुआ था, तब रेस्ट एश्योर्ड दैट वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स अ वेरी रॉन्ग. आई एम श्योर विद योर एक्सपीरियंस, with your commitment and credibility in your own states, I'm sure you'll all ensure that consumer gets justice. He's empowered, and we have a not a satisfied consumer that we are talking about, but a delighted consumer in the years to come. And lot will depend on you people, how you shape up. Governments are always slow. Every government is reactive, but I think you have to be proactive. I was reading some of the, saying that we are not taking money from the government to organize this. I would say you should be ashamed if you take money from the government to organize a convention of yours. If we cannot collectively fund a convention, then I think it's something serious that we have to think about. So friends, I really don't want to talk much, but once again compliment Sahasab and all of you for being here. I think he has made a tremendous effort in organizing and bringing all of us together on a platform to chart out the future. How do we go about? एक 4-5 ऐसे रेजोल्यूशंस पास करके सरकार के पास भेजिए जहाँ पर you feel that it's much needed. So with these friends, once again I thank you for inviting me and wish you all the best in your new endeavor. हमारा सहयोग जहाँ चाहिए, we are always there with you. That's I assure you for all our support to you. Thank you friends.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. जैसा कि डॉक्टर सुरेश मिश्रा ने कहा कि हम लोगों को उपभोक्ता संगठनों की एक संयुक्त एक आवाज़ कैसे और प्रभावी हो, जिस तक राज्य सरकार हो चाहे केंद्र सरकार हो, उस तक अपनी बात पहुंचाने के लिए हम लोगों को कलेक्टिव रूप से काम करना होगा. और साथ ही साथ युवाओं को किस तरह हम लोग इस उपभोक्ता आंदोलन में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रतिभाग करने हेतु प्रेरणा दे सकते हैं, कैसे अपने साथ उनको जोड़ सकते हैं, जिससे कि उपभोक्ता आंदोलन और सशक्त हो. उसके लिए हमको जितने भी उपभोक्ता संगठन हैं उनको प्रयास करना होगा. अब चूँकि समय का अभाव है, मैं अपने जो नेक्स्ट स्पीकर हैं डॉक्टर श्री जॉर्ज चेरियन, मिस्टर जॉर्ज चेरियन, डायरेक्टर कट्स इंटरनेशनल, मैं उनको आमंत्रित करूँगा कि उस कन्वर्सेशन में अपने विचार रखें.
Veteran consumer leader Sri Amardalal Saha, President of Consumer Protection Association Agartala, Chairperson of CCC Sri P.K. Panda, other dignitaries on the dais, members of the General Council of CCC, friends from the consumer fraternity, and dear colleagues. First of all, I bring greetings to this National Consumer Convention organized by Consumer Protection Association Agartala in collaboration with CCC. Before I proceed, I also recognize the presence of representative of GHEI Global Health Advocacy Incubator, the National Coordinator Sanjay Pandey, and also representative of GIS Poonam Pandey also along with the consumer friends. First of all, I congratulate Sri Amardalal Saha and appreciate his courage. In 2007, he had shown such a courage, and this is the 15th anniversary of that courage he had shown in 2007 when CCC was not having such a convention. He himself had organized the convention. I think, now, like many had mentioned, in January 2020, We met in Lucknow for the national convention. After that, there was a gap of 2 years. And, taking into consideration that gap, he had shown the courage to call this thing. We met in the last week of October in Agartala, and he have not told me anything about he is going ahead with the convention. I think in a short notice, without any financial support, he had gone ahead and announced this convention. Though the number of delegates are limited, taking into consideration the pandemic situation, about more than 30 organizations from Madurai to Orissa to Assam, representing various states are present here. So first of all, that is only because of his courage. Here in this brief time, first I want to mention, which I have mentioned in Lucknow also, there is a need for consumer organizations like CCET to exist, because earlier also it was mentioned, to gather the collective voice of the consumers in the country. There is a vacuum, CCC need to occupy that vacuum and, raise the voice of the consumers to the higher ups, to the ministries and to the regulators and all. So there is a need for such apex body to exist and such national convention to happen to discuss what is happening to the consumers. So there is a very big role for CCC and such gatherings like National Consumer Convention. I was told by Mr. Sri P.K. Pandey that he is also planning the CCC National Convention in Bhubaneswar on the 27th of March. It should happen on a regular basis, but at the same time, we all were under the pandemic. Very quickly, making use of this time, I would like to flag some of the consumer issues and present some of the concern. As you know, this pandemic was very unprecedented line. Even making use of that opportunity, state had taken over many of the powers you cannot question, and totally the consumer issues were sidelined. I'm not going into the details of that. We all of us had gone